Mammoth Ski Resort.
The snow is perfect today.
This is amazing.
I'm so much fun.
Prepare to feel the chill.
Who did that?
Catch this.
What is that horrible smell?
Just get out of here.
That was epic.
Wow, so fast.
Let's go again.
Wow, it looks amazing and so powerful.
How to build the ski hill. Step 1. Build the driver system. Install the driver motor. Three driver motors have been completed. Install the driver shaft. Add 2 gears. Add the support linkage. Add the lift mechanism. Step 2. Build the ski slope. Add 2 rotating platforms. Add the ski track. Connect to the battery. Testing the ski hill.
So cool.
Cold but fun. One more time. That's it for today.
Let go. This ski hill has to be mine. Run it back. So fast. I'm not done yet. Let's do that again. I want to switch to a faster snowboard. Enjoy it.
Help me, help me.
Do you like that? Let's begin. So amazing. Looks built for adventure. Can't stop now.
Help me.
That's really interesting. Help me. Who are you?
Are you injured? I can treat you. Time to plant these seeds. Let's make sure the seeds are evenly spaced. I hope these seeds grow well. Oh no, I need fertilizer to save these seeds. How to build the fertilizer machine. Number 1, movement system. Build the frame. Build the motor. Install the wheels. Install the battery box. Number 2, hopper and lifting system. Build the lifting system. Build the hopper. Connect the hopper to lifting system. Number 3, collection system. Build the conveyor belt. Build the rotary collector. Testing. Number 4. Spreading system. Build the spinner disc. This is the best fertilizer on the market. This machine makes fertilizing so much easier.
Great job!
It's time to fertilize the plants now. It's working perfectly. This fertilizer will make the plants grow strong. Wow, success! This machine saves me so much time. We have to refill the fertilizer.
I'm on it!
Fertilizing has become so much easier now. All the crops have been fully fertilized.
All the crops have been fully fertilized.
It's time to harvest. Welcome to the LEGO Off-Road Challenge. Today, we've got 3 brutal LEGO terrains ready to push our cars to the limit. Which of the 4 vehicles will bring back the most water? Let's get started. Or B's. Magnet mechanism car will go first. In the first area, a lot of water and Orbs were spilled out. Despite that, Magnet mechanism car still easily overcomes LEGO gears. Magnet mechanism car has arrived successfully. Pendulum mechanism car is at the starting line. It's struggling through the rough LEGO terrain. The water tray stays perfectly balanced. Pendulum mechanism car completed the challenge. The pendulum mechanism seems to balance the water tray really well. Next is clamping mechanism car. It's getting difficult. Oh no! Its wheels can't even climb the LEGO slope. The last one, stabilization mechanism car. It's moving steadily across the LEGO surface. Oh no! How lucky! The car tipped over, but the water and Orbs are still safe. Pendulum mechanism car brought back more water than magnet mechanism car. So, our winner is pendulum mechanism car. Railroad crossing.
Car's brakes are broken!
Someone calls 911. I've had an accident. I need assistance.
We'll be there in a few minutes.
How was a car carrier truck made? Step 1. Testing the chassis. Step 2. Connect a truck head to a chassis. Step 3. Build a fold ramp gate. Step 4. Build an upper floor lifting. Testing the automation. How does it work? Railroad crossing.
Luckily, everyone is okay.
Let's begin.
I'm almost done.
All right, we'll handle the rest.
Good luck. Rescue station.
I came back.
Ah, we're ready.
Try your best.
Of course, trust us. Come on, let's do it together.
Let's begin.
What's that? There's so much trash here. I will save this beach.
How to build the harvester. Step 1. Build the header. Add the gears. Add the blades. Add the chain. Step 2. Build the body. Add the wheels. Add the battery box. Step 2. Connect.
Yoo-hoo! I'm ready.
High reach sweeping.
Hey! Everyone, I came back.
Wow,
Let's start cleaning up right away.
it's exactly what it works.
My harvester is the best. Great! Yoo-hoo! Look what I do. I finished cleaning up everything.
It's not done yet. There's still so much trash here.
You mess all it up.
I'll upgrade the vehicle.
How to build the sweepers. Step 1. Build the header. Add the gears. Add the sweeper. Add the gears. Detach a header from the body. Step 2. Connect. Low reach sweeping.
Everyone, look.
Wow! What a great car. Marvelous. Everyone admires me, don't they? I did it.
There he comes again.
Guys, what do you think?
This isn't helpful at all.
Oh my god!
Disappointing.
How did he do that? Trash still everywhere.
Oh no.
It was supposed to take trash.
Yes, not leave it scattered.
It's all the same.
Unbelievable.
So tired.